My name is Miss Tatum, and I'm a speech language pathologist with the Independent School District. Today, we're going to talk about the T sound. I call it the totally terrific T sound. Remember to make the T sound, you open up your mouth and you take your tip of your tongue and you place it behind your teeth and you puff away a little air like this. Let's try some words. Top, top, table, table, tiger, tiger. You've done a fabulous job with that. In the following activity, you will have more words to practice along with some phrases. Practice these every day. And until I see you again, remember to be kind, to be safe, and practice every day. Have a great day.